What's up everybody, good morning and welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily Ethereum update, in which we'll take a look at Ethereum, which over the last 24 hours has not been that strong. I just analyzed Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is looking a lot more strong than Ethereum has been looking, but it's also been some news kind of regarding Ethereum, so we'll talk about that. But apart from that, we'll also talk about some other things which you need to know about, I think. Which could, a crash of crypto right now, even though we're doing very, very well, is still possible. And I'll tell you when that is possible or when it would happen. So let's get right into it. First of all, we'll start with the fundamentals, and then afterwards I'll do the technicals briefly, all right? Because I really think the fundamentals are the most important thing you should know, even when trading Ethereum. So right now the big thing is that obviously for Ethereum the Shanghai upgrade is coming fairly soon. I think it was in March. March 2023 launch date, and I don't think I can find the news right now. But what was the case is that some developers felt like this was a little bit too early and that they might need to wait with the Shanghai upgrade. The Shanghai upgrade itself would give validators the possibility to unstake a lot of Ethereum and potentially dropping that into the market. So the Shanghai upgrade itself could also be considered as bearish. I don't consider it that way. I do not think that that will happen, or that it will become a big dump because of the unstaking. But still, it's a narrative, it's sentiment in the market. But the fact that some developers do not agree with the launch date and stuff, that's just some oh, excuse me, my camera is a little bit blurry, but that's just not something you want in the biggest blockchain network out there. So that could be perceived as bearish a little bit, but apart from that, I don't really think so. And Ethereum is just, compared to the last year, we're actually pretty high. Our bottom is around 1,000, so we're up 60% from that. Well, if you compare Bitcoin with their bottom, it's a little bit less, how much we're up. So that could also still be it. And we're still very bullish. Don't get it wrong. What we did yesterday is we dropped that back down to 1,600, which was a couple of days ago still our resistance, and now it's our support, and we have actually confirmed that support. So what it looks like is that we're actually forming some sort of a market structure. Like last week. Last week we were very bullish in the weekend. Here you can see even up to the middle of Saturday we were still bullish, and kind of the same has happened today. Yesterday Saturday in the afternoon we were still bullish, and then in the here you can see in the night, or at least the evening, we started dropping a little bit. It's not the end of the world, but that's kind of what's happening. So purely technically, what I expect is just a consolidation between 1,680, which is our resistance level right now. It's a very strong resistance level. And 1,600, which is our support level right now, and that's also very strong. And it's supported by a lot of support levels under there, before, for example, 1,550. That's all very close to it, and they're all technically very strong support levels. The one thing, though, to get back to fundamentals, what I'm afraid of is the Federal Reserve. All right, because a lot of this big rally, I think, was caused by the dropping inflation rates, which is all great, and they will continue to drop. But what would need to happen as well in order for us to sustain these moves and in order for us to not crash is the Federal Reserve, which is coming with a new interest rate decision in 10 days, to at least say something about it, to at least change their monetary policy somewhat. Because if they do not do that, if they say something like, all right, we're going to keep increasing the interest rates up until at least the end of 2023, then we will crash, all right? It's not what I expect, but I'm not with the Federal Reserve. And they might have some agendas that I do not know about. So right now, given my knowledge of the economic circumstances and also the market-specific circumstances for crypto, I still think it's the most likely scenario that we will be able to hold this consolidation on top of 1,600, and that we will be able to break above 1,680 in order for us to get up towards 1,760. But I just wanted to reveal that possibility, and I will definitely keep you updated on that. But for now, this is my take on Ethereum. So enjoy the last day of your weekend, take some rest, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.